Here's an interesting app called Bean. Keep track of your visits. So let's just tap get it and install. As you can see, it's getting quite high in the charts in the travel category. So here you can just go. You can see a world map, compare with France 3D globe, widgets, United States map. So you can also just track states, for example, which you have been. You can, of course, you can just track countries. It's a pretty cool app if you're a traveler. If you like to travel during, for example, summer vacations, or you're just like a professional explorer. Pretty cool app. So there are 195 UN countries, and then you can just, for example, filter out like Europe, and then, for example, you can say when you've been, and then so that's basically the idea. So for example, you can just tap Spain, been, and then you can just select June to and then you can just add like ways of transport, been, lived, or wish you have been there, and then you can just add visit. And then also you can add all of those previous visits, and then you can just close. And then you have, it's kind of being closed. So far, for example, you've been 0% of the world just in one country. And then you will see your continents, your regions, your countries, your cities, your airports. But to access some of those features, you just need to upgrade this like a premium feature for $229. And then you can just tap plus, and from there, and then you can also just explore. So for example, Algeria, you can just read more about it. You can see all your cities, stats, and then you can also visualize it. Then you can also compare stats as a file to a friend, scan QR code. So some advanced features with the premium profile, and then you just have this. It's pretty cool. You can also change your app icon, and that's what it is. Hope that is helpful. And that's basically what it is. Hope that is helpful. Try out this app. I'm not sure if it's available on Android, but super cool idea. And I like this outline that it looks kind of like a native iOS app, similar to Notes, and it has similar color scheme and design. So if you like to travel, definitely the cool app.